Whoa. Easy. Slow down a little.
Be careful.
Come back this way.
Hang on, we're caught. Oh, gosh.
You gotta turn her around.
Payton, go slow.
Slow.
No, don't wreck.
No crashing.
You'll scare her and she won't want to ride it.
Drive her towards Nene. Go over towards Nene. Turn around. Go towards Nene, Payton. Slow.
Emma! Hi, Emma!
Slow, Payton, slow. Slow down. That's good. Good
She's
job.
got her feet on the tires.
Okay, hang on. Mommy's legs hurt. You ride. Oh, Mommy's legs hurt from it. Are you done, Emma?
Is Mommy gonna push you both?
You think you can fit on there with Emma? Sit down. Payton, sit down on it. Come here. Payton, sit on it. Can you take Emma for a ride? Will you take her for a ride? Sit down on it.
You got no.
Emma's got to go in front of
Go in
you.
front of you. You gotta
Scoot
hold
back.
her, like
Scoot
Daddy
back.
holds you on the four-wheeler.
Yeah. No, put your butt back here. Sit down. There you go. Okay. You're gonna hold Emma on? Here, hold on to Emma. Okay, ready? Here we go. Let's turn and go towards Nene. Ready?
What you doing?
Payton, wrap your arms around Emma so Mommy can push faster.
Oh no, we wrecked on the monkey.
Hold Emma. Hold Emma up.
Hold on to Emma. Hold on to Emma.
Hug on
Here.
Emma.
Put your arms around her. Hold her up for Mommy, okay?
You
Ready?
want her?
Ready? Here we go.
Emma! Emma!
Yeah, hush.
Emma!
Payton, look at me.
Yay!
Ready? Back up again.
Say Peyton's right with you.
Ready? Look at Nene. Say hi, Nene.
Say hi to Nene.
Hey, Peyton! She's too busy looking down. Whoa!
Okay, my legs hurt. Somebody else has got to do it. Oh,
Uncle Din Din.
that hurts. Oh, the blood's flowing in my head. You ride? Go ahead, you ride. You were a good boy sharing with Emma. That's a good boy, Payton. Look at her. She's like, oh, I want back on there.
Wait.